Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about winners and losers. The winner is always part of the solution, the loser is always part of the problem. The winner always has a plan, the loser always has an excuse. The winner says, "Let me do it for you." The loser says, "That is not my job." The winner sees a solution for every problem, the loser sees a problem for every answer. The winner says, "It may be difficult, but it is possible." The loser says, "It may be possible, but it is too difficult." When a winner makes a mistake, he says, "I was wrong." When a loser makes a mistake, he says, "It wasn't my fault." A winner makes commitments, a loser makes promises. Winners have schemes. My bad. Winners have dreams, losers have schemes. Winners say, "I must do something." Losers say, "Something must be done." Winners are a part of the team, losers are a part of the team. Winners trade short term pain for long term gain. Losers trade short term gain and get long term pain. Winners see possibilities, losers see problems. Winners believe in win win. Losers believe for them to win, someone has to lose. Winners see the potential, losers see the past. Winners choose what they say, losers say what they choose. Winners use hard arguments but soft words, whereas losers use soft arguments but winners stand firm on values but compromise on petty things. Losers stand firm on petty things but compromise on values. Winners follow the philosophy of empathy, losers follow the philosophy of apathy. Winners make things happen, losers wait for things to happen. So, this was all about winners and losers, or you can say comparison between winners and losers.